Changing state. Take some water in a vessel and heat it. Don't you see water vapor rising up? Now take a flat vessel with water in it and hold it over the rising water vapor. What is at the base of the vessel? What is the reason for this? Can you find out other instances where water vapor cools into water like this? Actually, water vapor changes into water when it cools. What will happen to water when it is cooled further? Water vapor, when it is cooled further, it becomes ice. And when the ice is getting heated, it becomes water. And once again, if you heat the water, it becomes water vapor. Water in air too. Take a glass of water, put some ice pieces into it, observe the outer side of the glass. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see? From where did the drops of water come from? From where did these drops of water come from? There was only air around the glass tumbler. There was only air around the glass of tumbler, right? If so, how did the water drops form? So think about it, like if so, how did the water drops form? The water vapor cools to form water. So water vapor cools to form water. Friends of stone, we learned that a stone has a different shape, size and weight. Liquids can be taken only in a vessel. But what about stone, a piece of wood, etc.? What is the difference between water and stone? What is the difference between water and stone? Stone, a piece of wood are solids. Can you name some of the solids? Write down the common properties of solids. What are the properties that differentiate solids from liquids? Can you tell what are the properties that differentiate solids from the liquids? What similarities do they have? What similarities do they have between the solids and liquids? What similarities do they have? Write down the similarities and differences. Features of air. Subin is very happy today. He is waiting to show balloon boat that he made to his friends. Actually, he's very happy today because he is waiting to show the balloon boat he made. This is the balloon boat he made to show his friends. Okay. Wow, a balloon boat that moves in water. His friends became happy. Amal is asking, Subin, how did you make this? Subin, how did you make this? Take the lid of the soap case and make a hole on its one of its sides, and now take a straw and tie the balloon to its end. Take other end to the straw out through the soap case hole as shown in the picture. Now blow the air into the straw and fill the balloon with water. Press the mouth of the balloon with fingers, not letting the air to go out. Place the soap case in flat container with water. Immerse the tip of the straw in water and slowly release it. Now you can see that boat balloon leaping ahead. Now you can see the balloon boat leaping ahead. Now you can see the balloon boat leaping ahead. Okay, I shall show you another trick. Here is a balloon racket. Do you want to know how it is made? Do you want to know how it is made? Actually, do you want to know how it is made? Pass a long thread, a straw piece, tie both ends of the thread tightly to two poles as shown in the picture. But air into the big balloon, blow air into the big balloon, fix it in the middle part of the straw using sellotape, bring the balloon to the lower end of the thread and release. In which direction does the balloon move and why? Can you tell in which direction the balloon move and why? Friends, won't you also make a balloon boat and rocket? Many shapes you see. Take balloon dolls of different size and shape, blow air into it and then release the air. What will happen? What happens? What happens? Why does this happen? What changes did you observe when the air is filled in the balloons of different shape? Does air have a different shape? No, of course. Like liquid, does air have a different shape? No. Note down your findings in the environment diary. Who is hiding there? Let us see. Take 2 glass tumblers, pack paper bits up to the half of each tumbler and fix a flexible straw in the second glass tumbler using a sellotape. Now immerse both the glass waters upside down in the water. What goes out from the second glass tumbler? Now examine the paper in the both glass tumblers. Prepare a record of the experiment. wet and dry. To find out whether the air occupies a space, bucket full of water, 2 glass tumblers, flexible straw, paper, sellotape. Fill the 3/4 of the bucket with water. Pack paper up to half of the glass tumbler. Then we can see like some paper will be wet, some paper will be dry. Did you record your inference? Did you record your inference? Sensing the smell, we came to know that jasmine have bloomed, or a perfume bottle has been opened even from a distance, right? How does this happen? Let's try out. Collect some smoke of the incense stick in a glass tumbler and cover it with the cardboard. The smoke comes up when the cardboard is removed. Do you sense the fragrance of the incense stick? Yes, this is because the fragrance of the incense stick mixes with the air and spreads all around. I too have weight. Hang a big balloon on one end and the paper cup on the other end of the long stick. Now, tie a thread in the middle of the stick and hang it like a balance, as shown in the picture. Put some pea seeds in the paper cup to balance the weight. Now blow air into the balloon. What happens to the balance? Why? How many pea seeds did you put in the cup to balance the weight? Write down your findings in your own day. Power of the wind. Did you see the Kathadi in Shreya's hand? Why does it spin? Okay. Did you see the Kathadi in Shreya's hand? Why does it spin? Discuss with your friends. Moving air is wind. Actually, air has power. Moving air is wind, air has power. Air, water vapor, or gases. What are the properties of gases? Write them down. Gases do not have a definite shape. Besides solid, liquid, and gaseous states. Did you record your inference? Sensing the smell. How does this happen? Let's try out. Do you sense the fragrance of the incense stick? I too have a weight. Hang a big balloon on the one end of the paper. Sensing the smell. Did you record? Who is hiding there? Many shapes. Water in air. Changing states. Which among the following can flow like water? Color them. Water and friends.